You see it? It's a deer. It's been staring at me. And he's got friends right here, hiding just beyond the tree line. They're just staring at me. The one that is right here is a buck, and then the other one's hiding right here behind this one. I've never seen a buck in my life except for living on base. And I'm just walking, and they're just chilling over there. There was 6 out here. There's 3 over there, and then 2 ran off over on this side. But they're always there. Oh, wait. There's another one. I don't know if you can see. He's right there. Hiding right in the trees. Oh, and there's another one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over there now. I'm just chilling. Usually at night they come out around this time, I guess. It looks like there's actually a whole herd of them over there because I just saw another one. So there's 6 over there, so I saw 8 now. But usually there is like 1 or 2 that hangs up around this tree over here that we're about to go to. And they'll just stand there and stare at you. Like it's nobody's business. But deer sighting is a very common occurrence here on base. And they're so used to cars and people that they just stand and stare usually. And they all went back into their bushes. You can't see them anymore. I think that car kind of scared them away. So lately, I've just been in this like really weird funk. I don't want to do anything. I have no energy to do anything. All I want to do is sleep. And today I went to Salvation Army and got Richard a couple of shirts and pants because he is growing out of everything so fast. I'm getting bit up alive. Mosquitoes are out in force today, and then today is like day number 3 where it's really nice out. The past other days have been just rainy and depressing. So I'm just taking this moment to just get out and walk a little bit because I think that one of the reasons why I'm in hold on a second. That was scary. One of the reasons why I think that I'm in such a weird funk is that I don't do anything these days. I just sit around and watch TV. I don't even get on a computer anymore. So I think that becoming extremely relaxed is made me very lazy. And it's so hard to find motivation to do anything. Like earlier I went to, like I said, Salvation Army, and then afterwards I just sat in my car and I was like, I don't know what to do. And then finally I just ended up coming back home, and then the lights in the carport are out, so I was thinking about changing those, so I did that, and then all of a sudden I just had no motivation to do anything. Charlie is kind of in the same way. He doesn't have motivation to do anything either. We don't want to cook, and it's really hard because we can't go out to a restaurant and eat, so we have to go order out and bring it home, which is also depressing. So yeah, that's just kind of what has been going on lately. kitty cat sitting outside our door. Hi, kitty, 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 kitty. Hi, kitty, 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 kitty. Hi, kitty, kitty. Aren't you a pretty kitty? Are you a pretty kitty? Oh, hi, kitty, kitty. Oh, hi there. Oh, you're a pretty kitty. Yes, you are. Richard's like, what is that? Hey, kitty, kitty. Is that a pretty kitty? Kitty loves me today. Yeah. Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh, kitty wants to roll around. Hey, kitty, 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 kitty.